Villagers of Bongrum village and its adjoining villages are struggling to access into a proper road for transportation, as a road connecting Bongrum village to NH39 Khatkhati under Khatkhati police station was destroyed due to transportation of cement through it. Around 100 meters away from NH39, Black Tiger Cement Warehouse, owned by Ashok Sharma, had been actively working day and night. Tons of cement are imported and exported daily from this warehouse. It had consequently impacted the destruction of road. Here is the visual. Hence, the villagers are placed in a very challenging task, as the only road which they rely upon is destroyed. This had affected the school-going children, college students, micro-businessmen to the ailing patients. It was reported that the cements are destined to consign to Manipur, but it is deported after storing 2 days at the warehouse. It is wondering as to why it is made necessary to store at Karbi Anglong for 1 to 2 days, when it can be shipped directly to Manipur. It was reported that the reason behind this process haven't disclosed to anyone yet by the owner, Ashok Sharma. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.